To recover the deleted photos from Google Photos, this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video, I will guide you to recover the deleted photos from Google Photos. Now to do it, make sure that you have a Google Gmail account and you just have to make sure that you are already logged into your Google Photos account. So open the Google Photos app and here you will see the various options on the bottom taskbar as well as at the upper taskbar. So you'll see the option of photos, collection, create and search. So click on the second option, which is collection, and here you will see the option of favorites, bin, screenshot and archive. So click on the option of bin, which is the second option, and from here you just need to select the photos which you want to recover. So select the photo like this. So if you click on the option of restore, you will be able to recover the photos, but if you click on the option, you will be deleting the photos permanently. So click on the option of restore and it says allow photo to move two photos out of the bin. So click on the option of allow like this, and that's it. That's how you can recover the deleted photos from your Google Photos. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel.